let's bake this Prince bread with this butter, garlic powder, and pepper, black pepper. Okay, just try only this. Okay. Just cutting the on halves, on half, and then put some butter. Okay. And then black pepper. And then garlic powder. Heat in the oven like 5 minutes. Open the oven. Easy lang. Okay. And then just heat. Press the bake. And then start. It's done already. Turn it up. It's only 5 minutes. Look at that. Heat already. And remove it. It's too hot. Gali. Okay. Guys, tapos na yung na-bake ko eh. Nainit ko lang. 5 minutes lang eh. Ito na yung garlic bread. Na inaluan ko ng paminta saka butter. Sarap to guys. Initin lang nyo yun sa oven. Mantikoy. Sarap. Saka kape. Tingnan nyo yung kaya. Lagyan ko lang ng powder, garlic powder, saka pepper, black pepper, saka margarine or butter, pwede na rin. Init lang eh, mga 5 minutes, ang sarap eh. Malutong. Hindi kasi kakaya sa toaster ko eh. Yung toaster ko pang lang slice bread. Kailangan mayroon ka ng oven o yung portable oven. Sarap kan? Okay guys, watch my reels again. Cooking session na rin ito si Mantikoy. Saka thank you pala dun sa mga nagpalo sa akin. Saka pinalo ko rin sila. Kasi pumasok ako dun sa group. Yun ang advice sa akin, kailangan ko daw mag-count me in. Basta wala lang hacker or scammer. Okay ako, ito try ko. Kasi yung requirements ng pinapagawa ng Facebook eh. Kailangan marami ka daw followers. Let's try, let's see. I hope everything goes well. Okay guys, Mantikoy, I'll post this again on my Facebook. Babayo, good morning ulit.